What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you the pros and the cons of Surfshark. Now if you haven't got it already, hit the link down below. Get a draw in deal, all right? One of the best deals you'll find around. But before you do that, watch the video, because I'm going to tell you the pros, the cons, and if you like it or not. Okay, there's other VPNs around, but I'm considering calling Surfshark my favorite today, and I'm going to tell you why, all right? So let's get straight into it, and I'll see you in a second. So here it is, guys, Surfshark, all right? Now, talking about the pros and cons. First of all, what I want to say is it's easily my favorite VPN, and that's purely because I've used it the longest. Now, that shouldn't be something that you judge getting a VPN on. That's just my personal opinion. I've used this one the longest. I'm going to go through pros and cons for you right now, so let's start it off. Okay, so talking about security, every VPN has good security, right? If you're using one that has good security, that's great. What Surfshark has is their own in-site security, right? They don't hide it. For example, RAM-only servers, all right? They don't hide that. That's in-site for everyone. Now, that is 100% Surfshark property. All right, it's not owned by anyone else, not whitelisted, it's theirs, all right? That's a really big thing to be having, and that's why I think the security of Surfshark is probably leveling up from most VPNs. Another big point to them on security, right? If we actually look here, you can see multi-hub. Now, what this does is allow you to choose 2 different countries at a time. All right, so you can actually connect so nobody can track it. It connects to 2 different servers. Now, yes, this does slow the speed down, but I'm talking about security right now, point 1, and it absolutely enhances the security. So the security on this is fantastic, all right? What it also has is a camouflage feature, which I'm going to get to you right now. What Surfshark always gives you is high-grade encryption as well. We've got AES 256, all right? And where they go above and beyond is they have unlimited user profiles. So you can have anyone on there you want, unlimited people, all right? Using all different kind of servers. Use that multi-hop option as well, and that will fire through. So the security is a big thumbs up on here. Now, the best thing about this VPN, right, is you can get this on any device you want. Windows, Apple, Android, iOS, anything. Okay, you can even get it on Fire Sticks and some smart TVs. So that's massive. I know I've got VPNs like, well, other ones that you can't get on every single device. So the fact that you can have unlimited people on here using it on every single device you can get, that's a massive point. And for the price that they pay, again, the link down below is going to get you the best discounted you can get. But the price you pay is very small compared to most of the VPNs out there. Now, guys, talking about speed, Surfshark is one of the best for speed, right? I'm going to give you a quick speed test on here. You can see on the VPN, we are connected to the Albania server, right? So let me just click run speed test. You'll see it once it's contacted the server, which it has, all right? It's testing the download speed, and you can see it's up at the 21, 22 megabytes per second. Super fast, and now that's all the way in Albania. We're in the United Kingdom right now, so that's a fair distance away, and we're still getting about 21, 22. So that's about a 14% drop between different servers, which is very fast, and that's because they've got the Surfshark WireGuard, right, which is one of the fastest you can get in that market. Super cool. I love the speed here. Now, if you're thinking about the servers going on to things like Netflix and Hulu, all right, we know Netflix are always out there trying to block the VPN access. I have never been with Surfshark going into Netflix and been blocked out. And the people that I have heard that happen to, the servers change their IP address so quick that you can actually get back in. All you got to do is just change the server in that place. If you're trying to get the United States catalog and you're using a New York server, all right, there's like 7 different ones in there. So just choose a different one. They reset so quick that you can get in. You can use it on Hulu, BBC iPlayer, everything you want to, all right? If you've got a smart TV, you can actually turn on the smart DNS mode, and that will allow you to use, even with smart TVs that say you can't use a VPNs. So it's a big pro there. There's no cons so far of why you shouldn't be using Surfshark. So some of the things that I would like to see coming with Surfshark, all right, is more compatible with the Apple products. With the Apple app and things like that, it is quite new, all right? They've not got all the features that you would like that you get to see on Android and things, all right? They've also gone really hardcore on the torrenting, all right? The torrenting is not working fantastic if you're using the multi-features. All right, so that's the second con that we need to get fixed. The torrent servers, if you're in the UK and America, they crumble down on each other if you're trying to use them together. All right, that's something we need fixed, and the Apple servers. But apart from that, they're the only cons that I can really see on there. All right, nothing else. Most of them are just flying pros, and the price obviously helps that a lot. The link down below, again, is going to get you that great discount that you get exclusive on this channel. This is why Surfshark is my favorite. Let me know if you liked it. There you have it, guys. Now you know the pros and cons of Surfshark, all right? If you want to get it, hit the link down below and get an exclusive deal only from this channel. If you want a different VPN, there's no problem at all. If them cons have scared you off, that's fine. Surfshark probably is my favorite one. That's why I want it. Hit the like button if you liked it. Let me know in the comments if you're going to get it. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you on the next video.